Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to manage location settings on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on location. Now to enable the location settings, just enable this toggle and you will enable the location features on your smartphone. Now on this page, you will find all the location settings of your smartphone. For example, under positioning control, you will find the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning features on your smartphone. Now, if you tap on it, from here you can enable or disable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Also, if you go back, under recent location requests, you will find all the apps which have used the location feature on your smartphone. Now, if you want to disable the location access for the apps which have used the location of your smartphone, just open the app, then tap on permissions. And from here, you can disable the access of the location by tapping on location and selecting don't allow. Just like that. And beneath that, you will find all the other features of your smartphone which uses the location settings, like trusted places and location accuracy. And if you want to disable the location services on your smartphone, just disable use location. And you will disable all the location services on your smartphone. And this is how you can manage location settings on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.